In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal Wallet. First, open a browser and search for Google Wallet. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Google Wallet. This action will help you access the official Google Wallet page where you can manage your payment methods. You will see several links in your search results. Make sure to look for the one that is from Google, as this is the official site. This is important because it ensures you are on the right platform to securely add your payment information. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. After you've selected the official Google Wallet link, you may be directed to a login page. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials. This typically includes your email address and password associated with your Google account. After entering your details, click the Login button. This step is critical as logging into your account gives you access to all your payment settings. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your credentials are correct. Now click on Payment Methods. Once you've logged in successfully, navigate to the main dashboard of Google Wallet. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods in the menu. This section is where you can view and manage all your payment options. By selecting this, you will be directed to a page that displays your current payment methods. This is essential because it allows you to see what is already added and what you need to update. After that, click Add Payment Method. On the Payment Methods page, you will find an option to add a new payment method. Click on it to begin the process of adding your PayPal wallet. This action opens up a new form where you can input your payment details. It is important to follow through with this step as it initiates the addition of your PayPal account to your Google Wallet, allowing for easier transactions in the future. Next, add card number, expiry date, and security code along with your name and billing address, then click Save Card. In this step, you will input all the necessary information regarding your payment method. Fill in the card number, the expiry date, and the security code, which is usually found on the back of your card. Additionally, enter your name and billing address to ensure your card details are complete. Once all information is entered accurately, click the Save Card button. This ensures that your new payment method is securely stored in your Google Wallet and ready for use. Following these steps carefully guarantees that you have successfully added your PayPal wallet to your Google Wallet. It streamlines your payment process for future transactions. You can always come back to this section to manage your payment methods at any time. Thanks for following along and happy transacting.